going on, everyone? Today we're doing another computer build for a friend of mine. They've never had a gaming PC before. They've always played on consoles, so this is going to be a big jump and upgrade for them. It's been a little while since I've done it like this. I'm going to try and keep it live, like you know, instead of me voicing over the parts and stuff like that, but I'll still show some shots of it up close for those people who are into that. But starting us off, our processor. So we got the Ryzen 7 9800X 3D, obvious choice. This person's going to be doing some light streaming with this build. This is the perfect processor to get started. I use this motherboard brand a lot, but just because I feel like whenever I do white builds, they have the best white components. But we're going with the Aorus B850 Elite Wi-Fi 7 ICE motherboard. I was gonna do Asus just because I feel like I never showed them any love, but the only difference with this board is that this board has like a quick release for the M.2 slot. So I mean, and the Asus board didn't, and the Asus board was a little bit more expensive because Asus charges us whatever they want these days. Moving on with that, for memory, I got 2 set of Ripjaws M5 Neo RGB RAM. It's going to be at 6,000 megahertz. I feel like I should have done faster at CL28. So that's going to be just fine. Storage, we're going to do a Samsung 990 Pro just because we could fit it in the budget. This is going to have a read speed of 7450 megabits per second, which is, blazing fast. I don't think anyone's going to notice, especially coming from console anyway. I mean, consoles, I guess nowadays are really fast too, but still. Power supply, I've used this power supply before. Actually, it's in my personal build, but this is going to be the 1000 watt Lian G, what is it? Hold on, I don't know my names. EG1000G. Yeah, these names are just insane for me to like read this out loud. But cool thing about this power supply, it's going to come with a hub, so I don't have to have a whole bunch of USB headers on the motherboard. If, like, let's say if I only got 2 on that motherboard, they have a few built in into this power supply directly, so I can hide it all and channel it into the back. Super good feature, and it's white, and it's made for the case that it's going into, so always good pointers there. Cooler, we're going with the Lian HydroShift 2 LCD-C 360 radiator. This is just gonna go perfect for the case that we're using with, just because Lian Li's always on their stuff. Then I got a bunch of fans, reverse blades for intake, exhaust, vertical GPU mount, and then of course some more fans for our case, all RGB. So it's gonna be a pretty good light show in there. Then together powering the gaming functionality, but RTX 5070 Ti in white. This is Asus Prime one. Is this Prime? Asus Tough Gaming, I'm sorry. Asus Tough card, which is still, I was surprised that they had this in stock at Micro Center. Like, of all the times, I feel like they never have white cards unless it's lower end. I'd still say this is a high-end card just for how much gaming PCs cost nowadays. It's like this build itself was around $3,000, which is, it was right under, it was like 28 and some change after tax and stuff like that, but still, it just feels like it's not easy to build gaming PCs anymore. It's just costing a lot of money. But hey, you at least maybe only have to buy this one time. So enough of that. We're gonna be putting all these parts in our Lian Li 011 Vision Compact. Oh, get it back in the camera there. So I wanted to do the big Vision at first because I thought it would look, better, but actually this is still a pretty chunky case. I think the world's going away from giant mid-tower cases nowadays. Like, if you could make it, this is technically, I guess, a mid-tower, but compact, they just made it shorter. This actually comes with the optional glass Vision at the top, but I'm going to be using it in the like regular airflow spec, and we're going to be putting some fans at the top anyway, so better for airflow, better for some performance, I hope. I don't know. I think it makes a big difference. But if the person that I'm building the system for wants to swap out this top plate for the glass, by all means. But other than that, yeah, I hope you, sorry it's been so long. It's hard to, I'm trying to get this stuff out as fast as I can, or just work on some other stuff, but we'll get to it. Let's get to the build. finally done. But one thing I just noticed about putting the vertical mount on this, it's not gonna work. And oh man, it's heavy. So it's not gonna work because this case isn't compatible with vertical GPU mount from Lee because the HDMI, the ports are blocked. So that big beefy card that's in there, I can't get to those ports without just cutting this out like myself or something like that. But like I'm not gonna do that because one, it's not my build, and two, that's crazy. Let me know if I'm doing something wrong or like it looks pretty good. I would have loved to leave it like this, but it's gonna have to go regular, like horizontally instead of vertical, because it doesn't work. Guy Micro Center told me that it would. Hey man, next time trust your gut. Alright guys, now we're going to test some games. First game's Marvel Rivals. Going to run it at ultra quality preset and at 4K. Should be able to handle it. I mean, I would hope so for the budget that we're dealing with, but let's see. Oh, whoa. Never played this map. Why would we need to have these pads when we could just start right here? Question mark?
30 seconds.
What is this, a new mode?
Love battlefield medicine.
Oh my gosh, I'm trash. Oh my gosh.
Great job. You're running up on resources.
Oh, come here. Oh, he's behind me. Don't get this Onk Iron, man. Coward. So, but looking at this, it just is.
Ready to rumble, baby.
Needed that, thanks.
Oh, brothers. Thank you. Let's kill it. Get her out of here.
This was
Forgot about the other arm.
There, ahead. I found them.
Yeah. Run away because your boyfriends are gone. Wait, why are they not getting the same arm? I'm slinging.
I switched off rocket speaking. Rise and fall.
Looks like resources are running low. Get ready to
Oh,
target another
baby.
available area.
Good riddance, Frank.
Oh. No, please. Oh my.
Good news. You stockpiled half the resources you need to win.
I'm sorry, brothers. Oh, she's dirt.
Get from Khonshu. The moon.
Oh, get him. Oh my, I got one. Oh, look at this guy.
Very much.
Come on. Who's the better Moon Knight, brother? Come on. It's not you, brother. I'll tell you right now. Nope.
I'd know that hook anywhere.
It's not. Oh. Okay, magic.
We have a winner.
Better pop your ult. Oh, or die.
Enemies to extract more resources. Resources are nearly tapped out here. Another epic
That's it?
victory.
What kind of skin? Wait, there he is! The unexpected.
I didn't even do that good. I think we should run another one. That was like a fast match. Look at this guy. I haven't played this game since the Human Torch came out. And the thing. Let's try Blade. Okay, I don't know how to play this, man, so no judgment. Oh my. Okay, yeah, I'm putting him away. Wait, how do I block? Oh my god! I don't know what's going on. That Mantis? Get her! Oh my gosh, I do no damage from distance. Come here. I can just spam. Left shift. Whew. This is just unfortunate for you, darling. Dude, yeah, get him, Thor. Jesus. Tired of hunting him. Who was that? Oh, don't matter now. Oh, it's Hella. Oh, what'd you say? Oh my, what kind of heat? Oh, doesn't haunt me. You know what does haunt me? Wait. Come here. Oh my gosh. Uh-huh. Yo, this man's kind of nice. Look at this guy. Wait. Oh, wow. I can't shoot to save my life. I need him to pick up Black Panther. He's been taunting me forever. I used to have no answer to that man. But Blade? Freak him. That's Squirrel. Oh, you know what? Oh, what? What kind of Mickey Mouse? Yeah. No, wait. The 1,000 cuts. I want to use it. Oh my gosh. Oh, of course. This loser. Boo! Alright. The game, honestly, I don't think really got under 80. You could probably tone it down just a little bit if you wanted to for Marvel Rivals and 4K. Still, I didn't notice. You know, anything over 60 is great for me, especially for a game like this. So, well, on to the next game. Next game, Halo Infinite. Wouldn't be a benchmarking video without it. We're going to be running everything at the Ultra preset. Pushing this 5070 Ti to the limit. See how long. Let's see what Mickey Mouse mode they put me in this time.
Fiesta.
Oh, Fiesta. What the cluck is Fiesta, brother? There he is, Big Yellow. Oh, wow. Go to sleep. Uh-oh. That's just too many shots, baby. Wait. Hey, man, he wasn't moving. Jeez, you survived that? Of course. You don't want to see me with this. What did I say? All I gotta do is listen. Oh, teammate. Oh, I see someone. How? Yo! That kills him, right? Oh, there you go. That killed him. Come on, let's get the lead, brothers. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. I'm a snail. Oh. Wait, someone's... Oh yeah, you're dope. You're good. Ah. Come on, come on, come on. Jeez. He's behind me. Ah. Okay, I need another gun. I don't know how this shoots. Oh, that's how it shoots. Look at him around the corner. Oh my. What? Oh my gosh. Bunk. No! Okay, but when I did that earlier. Oh!
Twice next time.
Come on. Yep. Hit him with the spear. Oh, I would have been... No! And he punches me to death.
I can't go out like that.
Team snipers? Yo. Oh, baby. I didn't know there was like a sniper team deathmatch. Oh, baby. What's that guy doing? Oh. Oh. Not a large map. Oh, get me out the way. I'm good, I'm good. Nice. Oh my gosh, I'm trash. Come on, he doesn't even see us. Thank you. How fast does this thing shoot? Okay, just like that. Nice. I'm the distraction.
Oh! Woo! Ah!
Drop me off. Come here. Oh, I shouldn't have peeked the second time. Come here. Come on. Don't do it. Coward. Oh. Keeping this one bullet in the chamber, baby. Come here. Yes, sir. He's trash. He's trash. Look, I'm dancing on him. Oh, okay. Hey, man. I'm just trying to have fun while we're up. Oh, I'm dead. No, I'm not. He's trash. Why would I die by a trash can? Oh, baby. This can't be fun for these guys. Come here. Come on. Get him out of here. Wait. Man, if he wasn't moving, I should have. What? Okay. You know what?
No scope. Killing spree.
These guys are getting dropped off. Oh, baby. This is definitely the better spawn. This upside. Oh, but. Oh, my. Come here. You know I don't miss that, baby. Oh, okay, I bet you it goes to 50, is my guess. I don't know how to ping, but he went. Oh, and then watch this.
5 minutes. remaining.
Oh man, you ruined my feed. I should have headshotted him. Oh my gosh. Made me unzoom. Oh, come here. Watch. All right, brothers. Last kill 360. Oh. I'm gonna hit it. I got 2 chances. See in here? Oh, you can't be punching. That's coward's way out. Wait. No.
Oh man. Whoo. I wanted the last kill 360, but cowards. We got 2 punch kills for the last kills. All right, let's switch the game up. Performance for that though was great. Stayed over 100 FPS or around most of the time, at least when I was looking. So good performance, ultra settings, 4K quality. What more can you ask for? Next game, Fortnite. I don't like cartoons, but the person I'm building the computer for, it's what they like to play. So we got to see how it works. Ultra settings, 4K, ultra settings preset, I should say. Let's just triple check that out.
And what is this? Is this a sniper? I don't know how to. Do these guys see me? There's no way, right? Is that the drummer from the Gorillas? Oh, baby. Who's this? I haven't played this game in ages. Hold on. Bot? Whoa, whoa, whoa! Hold on. I'm gonna get. Did that not kill him? Where'd he go? Oh, it doesn't do damage. Okay, what was that guy doing? I'm Mace Windu with the mud clucking hood on. Oh my! Ah! Hey man, that didn't happen. In the Christmas gear, okay. What am I listening? What am I hearing? I'm hearing a trash can for one. This is PC, baby. Can aim with anything. Maybe there's bots. Just shooting the ground? Christmas guy. Oh! Punk. This thing kind of nice. What is that kind of rifle? DMR, I'll take it. Wrecker revolver. That just sounds kind of heat. Crash Pad Jr. Oh, this is what I had last match. Whoa, 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 whoa! You just waiting for me? I'm running.
Oh my goodness. I'm playing one more. It's always one rando that just finds me. All right, I'm getting dropped off. I won't lie to anybody. Oh wow. What kind of fire? What? Yo, that's why people spend money. Let's go to the Hive.
That's such a crazy entrance. It's like an anime entrance. But like, look, who is it? Look who's in the sky. And just lands on bullets. What is? Whoa, 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 whoa. No smoke, no smoke. Okay, at least they're not like OP. I'm dead, huh? See, there's just no way that was a real guy. I'm sure there's bots, but like not like that guy. Thing is loud, brother. What? Oh my. Wait, Mr. Bug, wait. I'm gonna get dropped off. I can feel it. He's playing.
Mr. Bug, you gotta kill him! Alright, I'm done. I'm done playing cartoons. We're done. I'm dirt. I can't play these anymore. It's okay. Performance was alright. I wouldn't play it at, you know, epic, maybe ultra or high preset, but all good. Next game. Now we're in Black Ops 6. I'm using a controller because I'm just not good at all with mouse and keyboard on stuff that's like too fast paced. I know I gotta man up one day. I'm sorry. But right now, I'm using a controller. Right now our settings are gonna be at high. It's kind of mid to how would I say this? I don't really have a preset, but just know it's around high settings, I'd say that. Not maxed out ultra or anything like that, but pretty high. Just play some simple TDM, man. If there are any gups, that's where they should be, right?
All right, let's get it. Subsonic. This is what I wanted. 10 nerds. What's going on here? Oh, wow, I was loading in. Oh, my sensitivity's horrible. My sensitivity's horrible.
We've given up the lead.
Need that thing maxed out, baby. Dude, this is still slow. They're nerfing controller. Oh my gosh. This is awful. Hold that. Ah. Haha. Wait, teammate. Okay, brother. You're not locked. You kidding me? I'm gonna slide in those DMs. Ah! He's trash. Maybe we'll try a game on mouse and keyboard. Oh my. I can't react. Sensitivity's at like 2. Don't walk in there. Get him. Oh! Look at that. What is that? Ooh, man. I'm just not snippy at all. Oh. What is it? You know what? Let's rock it. I don't care. 60 round mag in multiplayer is crazy. I can't use this.
Act like it.
Donatello. Hey, man.
Langley won't escape.
My hands up on that one, man. I can't use this. Thought I could, so I can't make this any higher. I'm gonna play another one. Well, we're gonna man up and play mouse and keyboard.
All right, mouse and keyboard. See how I do. Oh, we turned into a machine? That's kind of crazy. That guy's buns. Watch out, watch out. Got him. I'm dead. Freak. Wait. No, I gotta look at that. Oh, okay. Hey, I don't know why I just thought it was above me or something. Whoa! Thank you. Kind of butt. Won't lie to anybody here. Man. And the ones, he gets dropped off every time there. Oh. We're losing. Throw. Oh my, you're trash. Ugh. Dang, man.
I have to make a call.
Their DMs. What kind of class? I know he's old head. What kind of class is he running? No grip, grenade launcher, and then look at this, master. Yeah, get me off of this. We're done. That's gonna wrap up this video. Hope you guys all enjoyed. Please consider giving the video a like if you liked it, and subscribe for more. And I'll see you guys later.